SMM Store Discussion, Branch RP Pangasinan. Attendance po is Judy Ann, Mary Grace, Pamela, Christian Paul, and absent po is si Romar. Sa warehouse po, store delivery schedule is every Wednesday. Sa warehouse request inventory po, TIT Dry Fit Canary Yellow, size is extra small to large. TIT Color Stripe Men's Citrus Orange, size is medium and double XL. TIT Premium Cotton Peel, size is XS and small. Sa items for allocation po is planner. Slow moving item po natin is canvas pouch with inventory of 9,414. PVC round fan inventory na may 17,026. Round foldable fan with handle. Meron po siyang inventory na 5,852. Round foldable fan with inventory na 4,887. Sa website po, meron po tayong new page which is drinkware po. Sa audit result po is rating namin is passable kasi po marami pa po kaming mga IR na hindi pa po natatapos. Sa OLM naman po, new approved marketings sa SP po is sublimation and dry fit free size. Promo is as low as 450 and 45 and 55 each naman po yung sa dry fit free size. Sa TIT po is yung tumbler and promo niya is tumbler printing 450 pesos only. Sa ads and promo po, new updates is Christmas ads, vehicles with 2 series and FB mall page. Meron naman po tayong sa tricycle ads, meron po tayong 20 na active, meron pong 4 installation. Sa streamer po is 7 yung active, walang installation. Sa sticker is 10 yung active, walang installation. Sa curtain naman po is 9 yung active, wala din po installation. Sa HR naman po, meron po tayong quiz non-garments yung topic. Nag-launch siya kahapon, October 17, 2025. And sa deadline po is sa October 21, 2025 po. And passing score niya is 20. Thought of the day, how to increase your visibility even if not paying ads. Organic reach, sharing their experience, yung good and bad. Make a good reviews in online platforms. Search engine. Palaging sinesearch yung page natin, mabilis na itong kumalat sa iba. Sa brand consistency, by posting daily. Pag lagi tayong nakikita, tumatatak na tayo sa ibang tao para pag need nila ng mga customized items, tayo yung unang papasok sa isip nila. Make sure yung sa posting natin is yung makaka-convert tayo into sales. Yun lang po. Thank you po.